ladies and gents, welcome to Xrissart. I'm Chrissy, thanks for joining me. If this is the first time you visited, welcome. And if you would like to view more of my videos, please consider subscribing and perhaps give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. I occasionally share ideas and painting techniques and live stream from time to time. And don't forget to click the bell icon, that way you don't miss out on any of the videos as I upload them. In this painting demonstration, I'm doing a study with surfaces and pastels that I regularly don't use and thought to share. This is a compilation of 4 little studies. The first study is Unison and Art Spectrum Softpastels on Pastelcard by Sennelier. This is also part of a live stream where I was joined by Wendy O'Brien from Artista365 and conducted various experiments around pastels on pastel surfaces. I also have to say I'm almost always terrified of this paper because it's delicate yet strong surface to work with. Strong because it can take many layers. It's 360 GSM and it comes in sheets and pads in various colours, and delicate because if you get any kind of water on this surface, well, you can kiss your painting goodbye. I think it's great to do little studies every now and again as you get to explore how different mediums behave on different surfaces. For me, I'm always using Pastel Mat, which is my go-to pastel surface, but I always like to try different things out all the time. So here I decided to use Unison Pastels and Art Spectrum Pastels, which work beautifully on this surface. Unison soft pastels are wonderful pastels. They are considered very soft, highly pigmented, artist quality, and are loved by many artists all over the world, including myself. And my other selection of pastels was Art Spectrum Softpastels, which is an Australian company, manufacturer, which are also lovely pastels to work with. So both of these pastels come in sets and are available open stock. I will put all the details of where to purchase these, or where I purchase these art supplies, in the description box below. I even used makeup brushes to blend, which worked out okay. I just had to modify my technique and also use pastel pencils for the fine details, which worked out okay too. I didn't use any pastel fixative, and I know many artists swear by fixing their work, but I avoid it 99.9% of the time. I've had bad experiences where my work was destroyed as a result, so I do avoid fixing my work almost all of the time. But it's all about the surface. Remember, it's all about the surface. See, I think if you can control the number of layers you apply, you'll always find you may not need to use a pastel fixative. But I suppose this is my preference, and every artist is different. Again, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate it, and I invite you to view the next part of this study series.